Hi, oral presentation English Level 2. First, introduce myself, then talk about my trip experience in San Andres. After the weather in San Andres, finally a recommendation if you go to San Andres. This is my it. I am Carlos Andrés Marín Solarte. I was born in Cali. I live in Cali with my parents and my sister. I like play soccer. I listen to music and walk and sleep. I am studying business administration. I 25 years old. I am single. I visit San Andres Islas. Experience of trip. 2 years ago I was on the island of San Andres enjoying a few rich vacations for 4 nights and 5 days where I enjoyed delicious meal and spectacular weather where I first rode a plane and meet sea of the 7 colors. I went with my mom. The people are very keen. I visit a very nice place. The products are very cheap. I have a great time in San Andres. Enjoy my vacation. The weather in San Andres. The day it is very hot from morning to night. It's very good to go to beach and enjoy the sun and refresh the body. To sleep is hot, it is necessary to turn on the air conditioner and it is necessary to drink a lot of liquid. Recommendation 1. The hot blower is a place very visited with the water that comes off of the whole window pressure. 2. Legend has it that the Pirate Morgan killed his treasure in the cave. 3. It is important to use cream and sunglasses. 4. This is the sea of the 7 colors where you can see. 5. It is as advised to buy products as it is very cheap. 6. The food they prepare is very rich, special fish. What you should do: get to know the sea, enjoy the food, walk at night with the sea, listen to their music, and get to know all the tourist places. The food in the hotel is buffet type, so you can eat wherever you want. Thank you.